Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what you should do if you don't know what else to catch when there is a rainbow weather in Heartopia. Like you don't know what else to do. You've caught everything from level 1 up to level 10 because that is exactly what I have done today. I've completed every insect and fish and stuff like that. You can fish more or catch more insects to have 5 stars, but that's not what I'm going for. So as you can see, my insect story, I caught basically everything here. Recently caught the cerulean carpenter, and then for fish, again, I think I have everything you can see. So there will be rainbow blessings when there is a rainbow, and I do need to get more ingredients for the latest food recipe. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to harvest instead. As you can see, it gives me more than 1 apples per harvest. It gives me rainbow blessing, not all the time though, but when you get rainbow blessings, you'll get more than 1 fruit when you harvest. So as you can see, I got 3 instead of 1. And that is what you can do when there's a rainbow and you don't know what else you should do. Harvest fruits because you'll get more than you usually do. It's just annoying when you only get 1 per harvest, but now you get 3, so I think it's just more worth it if you harvest when there is a rainbow. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!